the easy way to disembowel them. 2 cuts, one around the neck and one around the base, and undo the bolts. Around 95 kilowatt one. There we go. Suction gas director. There's a 2-cylinder compared with a 4. I think just a baby by comparison. Okay, well that worked pretty well. More compressors gone down for the count this time. Got the big scrolls done and some more of these 4 cylinders. I'm going to pull these bits and do some demos with them too. A big washing machine to pull the drum out of. Another fire bin. The old fire bin's gone to the scrapyard now. This one's got a stainless drum. I think it's a Hoover. Yeah. It's an old Hoover Elite 940. I might plug it in to see what it does. I've had the lead ripped off it. 2-cylinder. Yeah, that's the front panel for that heat pump. The guy dropped it off this morning. It's actually Westinghouse branded, but it's made by Email Air. They actually make these in Malaysia for Email, but they're still a good quality unit. Yeah, that's the right one for it. So I'll clean this one up and see how it goes. As I said before, it's been in storage for 10 years. A little dirty. Oh, MkIV VT93 likes Holden paraphernalia, so you can have that. I think it's Calais or something. That's about it. Stay tuned for more updates and little projects. I'm going to rip that washing machine apart for starters and get the rest of it back on here. And then start playing with some compressors. There are compressors everywhere now. I've got to get rid of some of them. Some of the best deals you can get at the scrapyard aren't always old stuff either. Like at $2 a kilo, you can't beat that for stainless steel sheet. This stuff's got a ornate brushed finish on it too. It came from Coach Builder, they use it on their buses. Yeah, that's a nice brush, fine finish. Probably won't show up because it's so bright out here, but that's good quality shit. I can use the guillotine and brake press at work to make covers and dash panels, things like that with it. I think the whole lot only cost me 20 bucks all up. 1.8 or 2mm thickness. Good stuff. If anyone wants little cutouts and covers made up, well, let me know and make up a drawing. I'd be happy to do a bit of sheet metal work for money. Nominal rate really. I do it at work in my spare time. Guillotine and fold. So yeah, let me know. I don't know why it has to start raining whenever I want to play with 240 volts outside, but that's how you peel a washing machine. Well, there's a 1 horsepower motor or something in it, I think. No, sorry, 100 watt motor. Pump, like it might have been leaking. Chances are they just threw this out because it's too old. I think I ripped that off when I was pulling the cover off. Pump wire. Oh, I'll wire a new lead onto it and see what it does. As long as I don't get rained out. It's had a lot of water coming out. Well, the rain and storm's just beginning. I found a use for that stainless steel sheeting. Just covering everything up. I really wanted to play around with this thing. It'd be fun to put it in spin cycle and then drop a fridge compressor in there and see what it does. Probably tear the whole thing off its mounts. Or better yet, start a fire in there and then put it into the spin cycle. Or put it through a normal run. Just override the water level switch and away she goes. The tub's all polypropylene so it wouldn't make any smoke when it burns. I don't know about this top bit though, I think that's ABS. That can come off. That's polypropylene. That'd be fun. Stick it out in the yard and see how far it can sling molten plastic. It'd be like a giant fairy floss machine. you ever seen how the cotton candy machines work, then it'd be the same thing except using plastic. Got a giant clutch weight on the bottom of it. It's pretty heavy stuff. Steel bracing all the way up to there, so in theory I can piss this off, retain the steel base and motor, and just have the have a revolving fire drum. Maybe not spin it, but just use this suspension mount instead. That'd work. But for now I can't really plug it in because there's just water on everything. I'll end up electrocuting myself. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more when it dries out. Alright, we've got a bit of a break in the rain now, so let's see what this thing wants to do. Well, might help if the controls were working. I think that's the problem with it. Control dial's dead. I should have checked that one.